There are many creatures in this world, and with those many creatures, there are many sounds in this world. However, there are two main sounds that are very close to our hearts, and they are the sweet melody of a cuckoo bird and the amazing and astounding sound of a parrot. Now, these both sounds are, as I've said before, very close to our heart, but there's a very big difference between both of them. It is that cuckoo birds are usually found in forests, chirping their hearts out. They're usually found soaring the skies and spreading their melody in the entire world. However, parrots are usually found in our houses, in cages, trapped inside. Now, what's the reason for this? What is it? It is that cuckoo birds speak their own language. They sing their own song, whereas parrots imitate us. They copy whatever we've said, which is why they're in a cage. They're entrapped in our houses. And this is the same thing that happens in our life. If we speak our own language, if we say what we want to say, if we use our own thoughts, if we recheck everything according to our own perspective, then we will always be free and live with freedom and live with no worry in this world. However, if we try to imitate somebody else, if we try to copy somebody else, then we lose our very existence and we become encaged, either in a prison or either our own thoughts. So be a cuckoo bird, not a parrot. Let's redesign life.